Hey, what's up, VeChain holders? So I have two good news is for all VeChain holder, my brother. The first good news is that to the giveaway of VeChain coin is coming soon now, and we are doing 10,000 VeChain coin, my brother, giveaway now. So kindly, if you want to participate, so just and only you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification when I make special video for VeChain coin. So you need, my brothers, to ABSA channel will give you a notification now. So my brother, this time as you can see here, the price, the second good news, my brother, the VeChain price is increasing now. So the expert says, my brothers, to upcoming time our prediction is going to be positive now, and absolutely, my brother, the price will be increasing. So let's see, my brother, I will predict live now, can really they will moving upward or not. So let's see, my brother. As you can see, my brother, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen. This is last one day chart, and exactly, my brother, as you can see here, the price will be increasing. So that's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profit now. The first line, as you can see, my friend, I draw, you can see here they will touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So as you can see, my brother, they will moving in this circulation. Exactly, my brother, after a fails they will take a jump. So you can see, my brother, in the last time the arrows is moving in upward direction. So that's clear, my brother. So you can see here, my brother, they will moving in upward direction. So that's clear to they will give you a profit in upcoming time. So why you miss this chance? Exactly, my brother, if you know, my brothers, to in upcoming time the VeChain price increasing, so what do you do, my brother? You are holding, you are selling, or what are you doing, my brother? Kindly tell me in the comment box, because I also do this, my brother. So my brother, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. I hope, my brother, you will be also, my friend, your opinion is also going to be positive now, and you will be my friend, this is what I tell you. But please, my brother, you also share your opinion in the comment box, for this is very good for all viewers, my subscriber, for everyone now. So thanks for watching VeChain holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos.